Hello friends, greetings from Iceland. It's a long time since I have been broadcasting, but now I'm back because volcano erupted again today, just a few hours ago, in Fagradalsfjall valleys, if you know. A very good weather in Iceland, very sunny, and I will be driving to the volcano in about 2 hours. Right now I still have to make a trip to Reykjavik because of my family matters. But then I will be back and I will drive to the volcano. I'm not working, luckily. I finished my last shift in the hotel. I was working in a hotel in the summer last night. So from today I'm free, and that's a good thing. Weather is very good. As you see in Iceland right now, we are about 60 kilometers from the volcano or so. And I will be there pretty soon, so stay tuned and I will hike to the Eruption site. I think the best way to get there is through Trail B to the very end, and then you walk to Fagradalsfjall from the Trail B side. You can reach also the volcano by Trail C, coming to Storyhrútar, from where you will see a panoramic view of the Fagradalsfjall valleys, and it's also possible to hike there. But if you wish to reach lava and the new fissures, it's better to walk Trail B to the end and then reach Fagradalsfjall from there. I don't know how safe it is, but to come close, but I'm pretty sure you can come about a few hundred meters away from the fissures, and that's what we will try to do. And I will film all the night, like I will be there in the night to film it. You see how warm it is in Iceland right now. Its temperature is about 14 degrees outside. You see, I'm driving Chevrolet Volt, 14 degrees in Iceland right now, and fantastic conditions, just windy as always. And stay tuned, we will be broadcasting from the volcano pretty soon. There are fissures forming in Fagradalsfjall valleys. It will be called Fagradalsfjall volcano because very likely the mountain will start growing over the new fissures somewhere there in Fagradalsfjall, in northern part, western parts of Fagradalsfjall. And that is a big football stadium in the past, like big lava field, flat terrain that got filled with lava like a bathtub from Fagradalsfjall. But now the lava broke to the surface in Fagradalsfjall, so we will be mountain will be growing up there in the valley, a new volcano. Very likely the eruption will last for half a year or a few months as before, so we will have plenty of time to report from this site. I wish you all the best, be well, greetings from Iceland as always.